Hello, my name is Nathan Chinander with Psychology in the Digital Age instructor Alicia Langdon. I'm the operations manager of a retail store, and I am here to discuss some of the new store psychology and psychological changes that we will be implementing soon. There are some aspects of different sociological theories that I like, and I would like to discuss for implementation in our store. Conflict theory is the theory proposed by Karl Marx, and when relating to companies, he says that companies are in conflict with each other and work to overcome that competition. He also says that those who have access to the most resources tend to be the most successful. I say the key word is most successful. I think we have the most resources on our block and in our town. We also have to grow and fight as the underdog to overcome our competition. I definitely agree that the companies with the most resources tend to be successful. Walmart and Target have thousands of stores throughout the nation, and they are powerhouses, with Target even spreading into Canada, but later dropping out of Canada, while Walmart is in 29 different countries. We have to work harder than the competition, and our increase in technology is what will help to propel us into the future to surpass our competition. Symbolic interaction is another sociological theory, and red generally means Target when looking at retail stores. Blue is Walmart and Lowe's, and Home Depot is known for orange. Symbolic interaction is the shared meanings and symbols that lead to meaning in society. I propose the color green as it means go and money. I think the primary color shown throughout the store can be green for aisle markings, green for signs. Green is the majority color throughout the entire store. Green is also good enough for Starbucks and Microsoft. Another sociological theory is the survival of the fittest, and I think all kids know this one. At least I did when I was growing up. The fittest or best able to change in the tough times is the one that wins out. Recently, Whole Foods was acquired by Amazon as a potential site for distribution. Speaking of distribution, Amazon is a company that is directly taking on UPS and FedEx in certain markets, with distribution being performed by Amazon for certain zip codes, with certain package sizes, and all in the intent to save money in shipping costs, while still using UPS and FedEx for the more costly route and delivery options. Amazon started in 1994, and they are a Fortune 18 company for 2016. I think that by having our hourly frontline employees choose whether or not they want to be on social media for the company, we can increase our exposure, and it would be a giant marketing component that can help us to be the fittest. While all the sociological theories have some parts that are relevant and good, I think Amazon and the survival of the fittest sociological theory is the best, because it says the company that can think outside the box can do what it needs to grow and surpass the competition in possibly unconventional methods. Today the competition may be a couple stores, but how can we change and move along the supply chain to better the company? What else can we do as a company to stand apart from everyone else? I think that is the real question that will allow a company to be the fittest in all aspects of growth. My favorite author is Tim Ferriss, and he has a quote: "It isn't enough to think outside the box. Thinking is passive. Get used to acting outside the box." I'm not trying to say these components are for our companies are certain or the best, but they are contenders, and I want to involve everyone in the company to participate in a suggestion box so we can gain input from everyone and we can decide before rolling out the final decisions. The essence of the company lies in the sociological theories the company imparts and works on. Who wants to be Circuit City or Blockbuster?